together with his son, developed a housing company, and he kept his central office in Phoenix. However, he came to Albuquerque, began Hoffmantown around the corner of Wyoming and Menaul. Began that in 1950. By 1952, there were about 800 homes that he had built and sold, and it was the largest subdivision in the state.
I started looking at homes and in this neighborhood. He showed me this one on the corner. I said, oh, it's a mansion. After living in a 10 by 47 trailer, it was a mansion. 1,599 square feet, 1,599 square feet. It had 1 3/4 baths, attached brick garage, and it was $9,775. It had everything we wanted. So I told Bernard, if you get me this house, I'll never ask for another house. I'll never ask for another one. And I'm still here. I was 24 years old and I'm 80 now, and I'm still here, and I don't want to be anywhere else.
The Hoffmantown Center was larger than that. It started about 1951, I believe, and it was the largest one in town at that time.
The Hoffmantown Shopping Center had everything you needed. There was stores from one end to the other, and we had Ben Franklin and another supermarket, Barber's grocery store, Campbell's Drug, which was quite exclusive at the time. It had a fragrance and makeup counter. We had a hardware store, shoe and boot repair, which is still there to this day, and pen and pad, everything. It was before Winrock and Coronado, so you know, we had everything within walking distance.
But Hoffmantown was always there. There was a Barber's supermarket. I remember we used to go to Barber's supermarket, and we used to go buy the penny candy and then go to the library. It was just a neighborhood, and you didn't worry. I mean, we used to go all around, and nobody would ever worry that we would just be home.